Bless the name of Jesus. Top of the morning.
Happy birthday, friend! You look good, lad. Jesus time! Frog leg! Happy birthday! Melanin queen! Kalinda girl! Wife hear about! Yeah! I hear about! Yeah! Triangle. Watch Pink Sexy Scandal. Watch Mix Up Man. Your angle, I couldn't this year live with. Your angle, lad. Triangle, this is what? This is sperm, I could say it's sperm. What Scandal on Netflix? Yeah! Angle! Yeah, let's see you early. Angle! Murder! Hear about. No. I never hear nor dear. It's everywhere. No. Angle, triangle. Happy fucking birthday!
Right now, I think PTR can open a business for celebrate birthday. You know the Rasta? The video with the Rasta was say, as a dead call me, and I tell you say 10 grand for ball, and for all and panic casket and Ray, them can do the birthday version of that. You see me, I say, as your birthday call them, definitely would have pay them for celebrate my birthday. I hope them go the same for me for so still. We don't know. But people, all jokes aside though, I want to say happy birthday to TC, and I would encourage you to do the same. You see me, I say, big her up. You don't know that them entertain way all through the year, and them continue to. So me, I say, a whole heap of joke and fun me get just from, you know what I mean, them Instagram, them TikTok, all of that, aside from all of the other things them with them go on with. You see what I say? Not to mention that them, you know what I mean, I motivate the young ladies them, and I show them so them can be where them want to be, you know what I mean, as well, coming from where them coming from. You see what I say? So people, let me say, get in the comment section, big her up, wanna stay safe out there. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. That's LIG. Atina. Excuse me. That's LIG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yeah, they.